Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I am so excited to be sharing some samples with you today. If you saw my video yesterday, which was my big huge announcement video, I went over everything in that video about SewNaturalDane.com and give you a little bit of insight of behind the scenes in the development of that. Today is all about fabric samples. So I shared with you on yesterday that I will be coming in today to share with you a couple samples that I made with the fabric that's on the website, available on a couple of the bases that you've already seen if you've looked at the website that's out there. So yeah, stay tuned tomorrow. This video will not go into pattern reviews, but tomorrow's video will be a pattern review and the fabric and knit. So today I'm just sticking only to the woven fabrics. Tomorrow will be about the knit fabric, and then but that'll be a little bit of a bonus because I will be reviewing the pattern that I made my item out of, and so you'll see that tomorrow. So let's jump in today. I wanted to come in today and share with you the woven fabrics. Now there is only one woven fabric base, and it is available for all three designs. So if you didn't catch yesterday's video, just in case you didn't, let me pop up here pictures. There is the purple, which I'll show you a sample today. There is the BHM faces on tan background, and then there's the orange and pink, the geometric design. All three of these are available in woven fabric in the comb cotton. So as I said on yesterday, this is printed on 54-inch wide fabric. It is custom printed, and so one of the things that I want you to keep in mind when you do order, this is limited edition. So I will only be offering these through the month of February. It is just me, so I have to manage my bandwidth, my time for SewNaturalDane, and also with my 9 to 5 as well. And so yeah, I can't do this beyond February. So it is a special launch for the month of February. Those who are on the newsletter list have already seen it, and that came with special perks as well. But yeah, make sure if you are interested in these fabrics that you go ahead and make a purchase now. Also, remember, if you have not seen, it is my birthday. Well, not today, it's on the 7th. So I'm offering a 7% discount through February 9th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. You'll see that here. I'll leave the information down in the description box. And also, if you want to see other samples sewn up in this fabric, make sure you go check out Kira from Island Socialist. She has made some beautiful, beautiful garments. Go check out. I'll leave a link in the description box. I will also leave links to all of our ambassadors, Dita from Dita Divine, T from Crumpets Tea and Sewing, and also Crystal from Crystal Sews and Stuff. You will want to see what they have created in these fabrics as well, just so you can see the fabrics, how they drape, different body types, all of that good stuff. I wanted to make sure that we covered all of the bases, and so you can see how these fabrics are made up into actual garments. So let's jump right in. Again, this is on a 54-inch wide fabric, and it will come with all of the information on care. But if you want to know specific things about the care, I have put everything on the website. I tried my best to make sure that any question that I normally have is on the website. So if you're wondering, oh, what's the scale of that design of the flower, of the print, of the BHM faces on the fabric, is measured out, and there's a ruler, there's a picture and everything on the website. You will be able to see the scale, the size scale of the flowers and the print and of all of the designs for the fabric on the website. So let me jump right into real quickly the samples I made up. in two of the designs. So one, of course, my favorite, purple. You know I had to have purple in there. I made, and again, I am not going over pattern, any specifics on the pattern, because these looks, the samples I made, will go with a full look that I'll be bringing to you this month. So stay tuned for Sunday. Sunday is my plans video, what I plan to make and everything for the month of February. So make sure you come back for that so you can see all that, and then you'll start seeing the videos roll out after that of everything that I have made or make for the month of February. But the first sample here is the purple, and it's on a navy blue background. It looks like on screen, and again, your computer screen and everything may look different. And so remember that when you're looking at the pictures. But it is on a navy background. It's purple flowers on a navy background. This is, I can tell you what pattern this is. This is the Luna Peplum by Cosito Design Studio. Remember, she does have a coupon code for BHM pattern designers that expires at the end of the month. As a matter of fact, there are 9 sponsors that have offered discount codes. Make sure you go over to the website. Look at, I've popped up here on the screen who they are, what the discount codes are, but head over to the website and you will see all of the details on the discount codes there, and she is one of them for 20% off. But I did a little something different with that. So the comb cotton, I just want you to see the drape, and this is a petal sleeve, and it has the peplum at the bottom, and I will pop up a quick picture as well. And I actually have on my very first Luna peplum I ever made. It is big on me, so I had to go down the size here, but it's big on me now because I made this when she re-released it back in September, I believe it was, 2020. And so that is the one that I have on today, is the original one I made, but I did have to go down a size for this, but I'll talk about all that in a future video. And so yeah, this is, and just so you can see the back, she has a very beautiful, yes, I did very well on my invisible zipper. But yeah, absolutely love this, and what I will be pairing it with is another black pattern designer, so you'll have to see that coming up here in a few days. The next design I want to show you, this is also, and if I forgot to mention, because they are available on the website, my BHM pattern designers garment label are available on the website. So I have put that one in this garment, and then this is the comb cotton, of course, as well, and this is in the BHM pattern designers faces on the tan background, and this is actually the goddess, the Ivy Patterns, the goddess gown top. So, and I shortened it even more because it's going with something else, black pattern designer, that I'll be sharing with you in a future video. But this is the sample that I made up, and I will pop up a picture here, how just a sneak peek. You'll get the full look here in a few days, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But I have also put in my label in this design. So yes, this was a simple design. I debated on doing actually a wrap dress, and I still may do that because of course I'm gonna order extra fabric for myself, but there's a wrap dress I wanted to do, and I'm still thinking about doing it. But I like this. I do like this to go with the other item that I'll be making up to go with the top. But yes, very simple design. Absolutely love the drape of this. The fabric is, of course, is very easy to sew with. So it's a cross between, I would call it a cross between a cotton lawn, and so it's not a cotton, which is a little bit more stiff, and cotton lawn, I would say, is kind of that in between feeling still nice and drapey, a lot of movement and everything in the fabric. But yeah, I definitely had to make samples, you guys, so you can see how all of these look. And again, with pre-orders, I just want to re-emphasize there is a 6 to 8 week turnaround, so do anticipate that. And then once you do receive shipping notification, there may be an additional time behind that, just because with USPS here in the United States shipping, for those you already know, that they have additional delays because of the pandemic. For those who are international, yes, you can order from me. I have several people that have already ordered international, and what I have done, some international people have a US post office box or address they have things sent to, and then it's shipped through their service that way. Others have wanted me to ship directly to them in the country that they're in, and so what I do is just go and make sure that I can get the most economical shipping rate for you, so you don't have to pay more than what you need to. It will be a little bit more for international, but we can work that out. Make sure if you are interested and you are international that you email me at hello@SewNaturalDane.com. I'll need all of the information and we can discuss shipping that way. So far as the enamel pins and the garment labels, those are ready to ship. Those will ship out quickly. If you happen to order fabric and enamel pins and garment labels, I'll split the shipment on my end, and you will get the enamel pins and the garment labels, except if you're international. It doesn't make sense for me to split ship. You would just have to wait to receive that once I ship everything together. But for those US based, I will split ship and send out your garment labels and your pins right away, and then you'll just have to wait that additional time for the actual fabric. And then also remember, if you did not see yesterday, there's also t-shirts available. Again, everything is available only until the end of February, and then that's it for this year. And yes, the mind is already going for 2022, but yeah, we are going to relish and just love on what's happening here in 2021. And I thank you everybody for all of your support. I thank you for subscribing to the channel. I thank you for sharing, liking, reposting, all of that good stuff. It means so much to me. And so yeah, that is it for today's video. Make sure you stay tuned tomorrow. Tomorrow will be all about the knit fabric, what I made, and that will actually come with a pattern review. And then for Sunday, like I said, will be my plans video. And then after that, you will see my birthday outfit that I have made as well. So make sure, if you haven't subscribed, that you have subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss the next upload. But yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions, want to see details about the fabric, again, description box. That's the link to the website. All of the information is out there. Make sure you go check out everything. I invested a lot of time and effort to make sure any question that, as many questions that I would think that you would ask have been answered on the website. But if there is something that is not answered, go ahead, email me and we will get the answer to you. But if that's it, I think that is. Make sure you stay tuned tomorrow. But thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. And again, make sure you go check out Kira, Island Socialist, and continue to follow the ambassadors to see what they have created. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun this month. And let me know, what are you planning on creating for BHM pattern designers? What pattern did you choose? Have you looked on the website to look at different pattern designers? Again, every designer that we knew about is on the website. Links to their shops. We have quilters, knitters, crochet. All of that is out there on the website. So go check out the website and you will have all of the information that you need there. So thank you everybody so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. And again, we will see you tomorrow. Bye.